Greetings everybody, we're back again with another banger. This is Mzansi Football. Ngihamba nobandla.
Yeah, wama nobuko la by the name of Sasco Layares.
Puko man. Soweto Derby.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates 2.
Yeah.
1 Kaizer Chiefs, baba.
Ish.
Uyibona kanjani?
This game as a Chief fan.
Yeah.
I thought we had everything under control.
Sure.
The first 10 minutes we gave it all.
Yeah.
Like I would like to thank players.
Yeah.
The game plan of Unabi, we showcase it first half.
Sure.
And he must shield by doing what? If you saw in that game, our midfield at first overloaded.
Sure.
The Paris couldn't do anything.
Sure.
Umufukeng on that false 10, or false 9, he was flat-footed. So on that thing, which it was good for the first 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Sure.
So I neutralize, we get a goal, choose was a good thing. But I can say again, a lack of concentration is what led us to concede, also to play this way. Mara, after all,
So, Prami, Pirates, like, where the Chiefs lost it? First 10 minutes of the game, Chiefs scores.
Yeah.
Pirates Yabuya 1-2. Where the Chiefs lost it?
As I said before, lack of concentration.
Sure.
At first, the Chiefs, if you can see on that game, Pirates was playing a low block at the first moment because it's so good. The Chiefs is coming pound to pound with it, football. And on top of that thing, we're playing pass to pass with players. Everyone was collecting the ball, which was a good thing. Mara, with that just one moment of brilliance, we lost the ball when we were attacking. Then from there, the Pirates are overturned from defending to attacking.
Sure.
They got a goal, which is 1-1. From there, I think our players from there, they kept their heads down as if now we lost. As if you 1-1, we can it's still first half. But luckily we saw after the Pirates equalized 1-1, they kept coming, Mara, those brilliance, and also Pirates was clinical at the back at some point.
Sure.
The Chiefs was trying to attack Mara. Pirates, they knew their line. At this point, we don't give them the ball. At this point, we take the ball and we move.
Sure.
Which was good at first half. I wouldn't try too much. We played as a Chiefs.
Sure. Bruce Vuma, Bradley Cross, red card cross Westphal.
Sure.
Angazi uyibona kanjani?
So Skala, we goalkeeper department. I'm still not convinced even today. For real.
Yeah.
For me as a soccer fan and the supportive Kaizer Chiefs, and also as a soccer fan.
Sure.
As a goalkeeper, if you commit to go out, I think you go out fully so that you get the ball. You don't think twice.
Sure.
If you know good I'm coming out, you know good I'm getting that ball. Not good I'm trying to block the ball.
Sure.
So first goalie, I wouldn't say too much. Mara, at some point the goalkeeper didn't have the first thought of saying, okay, now I'm going to get the ball.
Sure.
It's like, okay, my defenders will cover without hesitating.
Sure.
So Jiggy, no, Ipoli Pasio, Mahopa is in line. He's coming out late. Mahopa already said 30 decision. I'm going at this point.
Sure.
I think goalkeeper development is Skalanga every game.
Left back, Bradley Cross, red card.
Bradley Cross, overall. It's those silly mistake. Okay, it's fine.
Sure.
But he's not clinical because Guti he's a defender with one foot left. And after all, I can say Guti Rivero, that thing, it's one of advantages Spanish because Guti it's a left player. Akakho ukuthi udlala ngo right and also sine central defense engudove na is a left player. So that thing I can say it's Khawatile because ungotha lapha bamba ibhola same time ukhatha in akasakhona ungena ngelinyawo because banela nyawo le1 lingu left. So we didn't go left. That's our weakest link I can say in this game. So
Pirates ubona ngathi yini into beyenze kahle ukuthi bakhona ukuthena from 1-0 to 2-1 wena mawubhekile.
Pirates from there first half that goal was from just a turnover goal.
Sure.
Second half that's when I saw Guti Pirates did see Guti we were their mistake. At first as a coach you see Guti, okay, I did this, Mara no is not working. Pirates what it saw Guti bonile ukuthi Mofugeng is not clinical on that thing. Flat-footed, that is nothing. So now let's try to make him at his normal position, which is a winger, and try to use someone that we know Guti. His best position is that one, which is U10. Bafagile lapha no Dlamini, and at some point Paris yakhono go advance touches. Because Chati Pola yazi ukuthi Mofugeng ukhona lapha always. At this side ungothi khona and uzokhona attack players at some point. So Paris isebenzele leyana ukuthi ingahlala ukuthi ilinde maybe 70 minutes or what quickly no shintsho because yabona ukuthi lamuntu akaspani kula 10. So by change Mofugeng to a left, I think that's what made Pirates to be more dangerous going forward.
Sure. Any advice to Nkotha?
Ungothi hayi brilliant mfana, brilliant, yeah. My advice yami man, don't do too much as a player.
Sure.
Try to make it simple. By meaning of making it simple, thola ball as a player ne. So ufuna uqonda too much a player. Check ukuthi which position, which better pass I can make so that I can make another run.
Sure.
Yeah, when you're in front of goal man, especially when you're inside the box, mina as a person, I believe ukuthi try to go forward. Because la muntu semva kwakho you can dribble uthole penalty.
Sure.
If you go forward you get a better angle or a better position of scoring a goal.
Sure.
So yeah man, the boy going forward just keep simple and play because yena umnandi umfana uyakhona ibami play.
Okay, as Nabi, what is the motivation like, or as Unabi when what is the motivation ngegama play with Bafethu silungisa kanjani ama mistake wethu ukuthi Nedbank Cup finals sigren motivated, physically ready, mentally ready, na tactical ready vele.
Okay. Yeah, as a coach Nabi, I can say the motivation against guy player, I mean, it's simple. Players, you did good today. Just like good, it was just those lack of concentration. If you check the second goal, a Pirates like played that ball, Mara, as Tina as the team. We didn't have that thing of saying we are holding our position. Chiefs was all over the place, meaning they lack concentration at that moment, and Pirates capitalized on that point.
Sure.
So I mean, I can just say, okay, go as a coach Nabi, as good players, like the way it's corner today, I couldn't say it was bad. It was good, Mara. We lacked the finishing and also we lacked the concentration on the ball.
Sure.
So as Unabi man, as Unabi and herself, the only thing I show you players must continue the way it's corner. Mara, I think you can also introduce flow players to add on what you are playing.
Sure.
Like for instance on that back line, you know, that back line, it was not fully convincing for the day. Yeah, he did the gamble, Mara. I can say he can risk it because if final is a final, one brilliant moment it's a goal and we win.
Sure.
So I can say he can maybe on the back line bring someone who can lead. Meaning for someone who can lead is a defender like Umiguel has been leading us. He know okay, I'm leading the players on this line, they can stay. So I think someone who's a leader was not there for us today. Everyone was just hitting the ball, so which was not good. Secondly, I can say someone today on our midfield was playing good. Mara, we're playing too much high, leaving our defender exposed. So I can say today we need someone like that. We know Gucci can play, Mara. Playing as a CTM alone is not that good. So
Sure.
I think we need that person who can also know Gucci on midfield. We control the midfield going forward because our midfield was very wide open for unnecessary reason at some point.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, Tango Pukoman. Aye, what a great analysis, Bram. What a game. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Yeah, this is Mzansi Football.